Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix can't hear my audio messages on iMessage or can't hear my voice text messages on your iPhone. First, you'll need to go into settings, and from here you'll simply scroll down and select messages. Once in messages, you want to ensure that raise to listen is enabled, as you can see on my screen right here. After you have done that, you will simply go into messages and you'll find the audio message that you would like to listen. And for example, this one right here, if I should play it right now, you can see that the volume is very low on it. Now to increase the volume, you'll simply tap on the speaker icon right in front of the message. And you can see that it turns to blue and says on. Now if I should play it, you can see that the volume is a lot louder. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe. And thank you for watching.